Hello guys, welcome back to Insta Electronics. So in today's episode, let's do the teardown of this microwave radar switch which we have been discussing throughout the last couple of videos. So let's do the unboxing, like once again, mini unboxing. There is the instruction manual which we don't need because we are going to do the teardown today. And as you guys can see, there are a couple of potentiometers in here. You can see the lux, sense and time. There is an LED in here which coincidentally says that this will light up when the output is triggered, but it didn't happen last time when I tried that. So again, let's move on to the teardown. So let's open the back cover because there are no screws or anything, and I'm not sure how these are supposed to come out. Anyway, let's do the teardown. Let's take something sharp like a screwdriver, and I think this is clipped in. Yes, it is clipped in. Oh, there it goes. It was that easy. Again, you can see the ratings mentioned in here. Underneath, we have another brand name, Starlux ST701E, and it has a date code of 28/1/2016. So it's more than 5 years old right now. And that is really interesting because this thing is out there in the market since 2016. Cool. Anyway, let's continue with the teardown. I can see the 3 potentiometer arrangement inside there. Can you see that through the holes over there, that pin like arrangement? So not sure how to get that out, but let's start pulling from the sides until something pops out. Okay, we are getting somewhere. It's coming out. Okay, let's use this to push it out. One side has come out and the other side is now out. Oh, look at that. These are just some poles poking through the plastic that gets connected to these potentiometers right here. These things, that is really cool. I mean, that seriously is really cool. See the module? It even has what? This has a date code of 2016 and this has a date code of 2021 in there. How can that be? I mean, this is 2016, this is 2021, so I think, oh, you know what, this is repurposed. I bet that this is actually meant for the baseboard, is actually meant for the PIR based detection circuit. I bet you that, because that's why this thing is 2016, because all it does is the power supply and getting the data out, like the signal out, to latch this relay. So this can be a common board. All they have to do is get the signal from there, which you can actually get from, irrespective of it's whether it's a radar module or it's the PIR module. You can get a signal out. That's it. They were repurposing an existing product so that it can accommodate the latest technology, and you can see it's soldered through right there. And this radar module has its own daughter board attached to it, which has an IC in there. So if I can get a photo of that, I shall get the photo and I shall provide the necessary data sheets on the screen right now. But that is really interesting that they can actually do that, because now if we can purchase this module separately, we can actually make use of an existing PIR board, replace the PIR sensor with this one and make it working. That's cool. Alright, I think this section, it has the capacitive dropper power supply. Here's a capacitor for that. I don't want to damage it, so I'm not going to bend to see what is the value. There are some bridge modules right inside there, and the filter capacitor, probably a 3.3 volt regulator down there. This particular LED, which honestly hasn't worked when I tried testing it. Not sure what is the deal there. This is a relay, It's the relay that says 10 amps at 250 volt, but always take it with a pinch of salt. I don't recommend you to connect a 10 amp load in here anyway. So yeah, as they said, maximum 300 watts. That is the best you can do with it. So that's it guys, that's it. There is nothing much to see in here because honestly I don't want to ruin the whole thing, so I cannot tear it down further than this. And there is one IC, it says 701E 2112. So I'll put the datasheet of this IC if it is available. Sorry for all the background noises. And I think that's it. That is what is inside the radar module. So that's it guys, that is what's inside the radar module, and thanks for watching. See you in another video.